This poem speaks of a hero dying in the middle of the battlefield. While he slowly loses light to his life, he asks himself, what's the worth of being called a hero, if he who has the name is no longer alive to celebrate? I am here not to save lives, but because I had no any other choice. A person needs to make a living. They celebrate victories of the fallen before me, through songs and holidays. But the dead who gave their life, were not even invited. They offer their life to rest, so the generation that succeeds them can take a day of rest. Honor was well and served, for all men who gave their best. But was I really doing what's right? Obedience is our behavior, pawns of the rich behind a desk. The orders were to shoot, without even explaining why. Loyalty is the weapon to abstain doubting thoughts. For all men have a choice. To preserve life, and work through dialogue, or show them who's tough. Burn the bridges, and build the crosses for howling dogs. The howls of the midnight hound would be the fate of me. Good are the men who died here with the real intention to save. Not like me, I was forced to hold a rifle because I have mouths to feed. The death of me and the others, our names. It will be carved in stones, it will be celebrated for a few Gregorians, it will be statistics. Each day that passes, the ghost of us, will be irrelevant memories of the living present. And during this last few moments of living, I asked myself, when will I die? So I can be called a hero. Hero, an honorable title attached to my name. But such honors can only be enjoyed tomorrow. While today, I am slowly dying in vain. If you've enjoyed this poem, please do click the like and follow. Thank you.